Okay, we have here the GE Opal Profile 1. It has that squeaky weird noise, which is not going away by doing the cleaning cycles. No vinegar, no cleaning liquid, not helping, nothing. So we're gonna just open it and see what we're gonna find inside. Okay, to remove back cover, we have to unscrew those bolts right here, those two here, and probably those four right here. And let's go. Okay, apparently we have more bolts. That's right, 1, 2, 3, and the teeny tiny 2 more here. Somebody messed already with that thing, so some bolts are missing. We're gonna figure that things out. Okay, we got cover off. It looks not bad. Used. Have some dust. I'm gonna clean it later. First thing we're gonna check on those pipes, the water line. It has the buildup, that white thing in it. And it looks like I have to remove a couple of them from all the way there, clean it up, and try cleaning cycle once again, and try after that making ice. Let's go. Okay, so what we got here so far, we removed those water lines from that and here, and from that freezing thing. It looks pretty clean in there. Probably need just a little bit more cleaning. We're gonna remove all that white buildup and those water lines, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so all water lines are cleaned, nothing in it. Let's place the back. I'm gonna leave the machine open until we're gonna make sure that the ice maker works proper way. Put the water in it. I'm gonna start it, and we'll see. See you later. Okay, 1 hour later, machine runs. No noise, no squeaks, no nothing. Pipes are in place. Already made some ice. It's not that hard as should be, just because I ran the vinegar before. Now it's only water in it, and it starts making nice nuggets. Good luck.